Hi friends, today our topic is unary operators. This is one of the types of operators in Java. First, what is the unary? What is the unary? We want to discuss first. Okay, the name indicates the unary means only one operand. Only one operand. Okay, one operand means one variable. What is the definition? Means the definition. If an operator acts on single variable, this is called the unary operator. Unary operator means suppose the operator something plus or minus anything the acts on single variable a. Suppose single variable acts on this operators acts on in single variable. Okay, this is called the unary operators. The unary operators are three types. First one, unary minus operator, increment operator and decrement operators. Okay, first we discuss about the unary minus operator. Unary minus operator, what is the use of binary operator means? It is the symbol is minus, means it converts uh, positive number to negative number, same vice versa, negative number to positive number, negative number to positive number. This is the unary minus operator. And it converting the positive numbers to negative numbers to positive number. Use the symbol minus. Okay. The first before that we know. First suppose example 5. 5 means not given any operator means this is the positive number. Okay. Suppose minus 5 is given minus 5 means it is a negative number. Okay. Suppose plus into plus minus into plus plus into minus into minus plus. Okay, first you know this conversion. After you understand easy understanding the minus operators. Okay, now we are going to example of minus operators. Suppose x equal to 5. X equal to 5 means the x variable 5 is stored into the x. The what value of in x? 5 values. Now how to convert? First we write the print statement system dot out dot println. X means what is the values is printed? 5 printed. And this without not given any symbol or indication means it is the positive number. Now again we want to give system dot out dot println minus 5. Minus 5 means, okay, the what is output here? What is output here? Minus 5. Minus, how to convert the minus 5 means minus into plus 5. Okay, what is this? Plus into minus into plus minus 5. That is output is minus 5. Now next statement is system dot out dot println minus into minus x. X value means suppose what is the meaning? Minus 5 means minus into minus plus 5. What is the result? 5. Okay, this is the minus operator and the positive to negative to positive. Next another type is the increment type. Increment, the what is the symbols are we are using in the plus is known as the increment operators. Increment operator increase the value by 1. Increase the value by 1. Increase the value by 1 అంటే suppose x equal to 1 అనుకోండి. Whenever using this increment operator, the value goes on x equal to 2. Means one value, only one value and one number will be added to the given number, whatever number. Okay, these are two types of increment operators. First one, pre-increment operator and post increment operator. Two types of operators. What is the difference between the pre-increment operator and post increment operator? We will discuss now. First, pre-increment. Pre-increment means pre-increment increments the done first. Incrementation, whatever the use the pre-increment means before, suppose pre-increment, how to write the pre-increment means plus plus అంటే first incrementation after operator or variable. Okay, first done the incrementation means pre-incrementation, increment the done first and any other operations are next. Okay, this is called the pre-incrementation. What is the post incrementation? Post increment, how to indicate post incrementation means a plus plus first operator and this is the operation are last. This is called the post incrementation. Post incrementation means all other operations are first, all other operations, whatever the operations is first and incrementation is the next, done by the at the last. This is called the pre-incrementation and post-incrementation. Now I will give the example how to incremented, pre-increment and post-increment. Now this is the pre-increment example, this is the post-increment example. First x equal to 1, x equal to 1. Now system dot out dot println x means what is the statement, what is the output of the statements? 1. Now system dot out dot println x plus plus, what is the output here? The incrementation is the pre-incrementation. Pre-incrementation means first we do the incrementation, after operations are next. First plus plus x means what is the pre-incrementation? Done increment first. Done increment first means 2. Next system dot out dot println, what is the x? X means what is the incrementation after incrementation value? 2 only. This is the output. Next one, the post incrementation. Post incrementation means the incrementation is the last and all other operations are first. First we check int x equal to 5. X equal to how much value is contained the x? 5 value. Now we want to print the x value. System dot out dot println x. What is the value here? X 5. What is the value here? 5. Now system dot out dot println x plus plus. X plus plus means all of the operations are first, incrementation is the last. First all of the operation just printing option. Okay, we want to print 5. Next statement system dot out dot println, what is this value? The printing is values done. Next go to the increment option. What is the increment the value? 6. This is called the pre-increment and post-increment. This is called the pre-increment and post-increment. Now same way we have the decrement operation also there. What is the decrement operations? Now increment operations, we incremented the value 1. Now decrementation means decrement the value by 1. There are the two types of decrementations. First one, pre-decrementation, the decrementation operator. What is the decrement operation? Operator is used to decrement the value of variable by 1. Means suppose x equal to 5. We apply the decrement operation. How to converted this x equal to 5 value? X equal to 4. Decremented means one value is decremented by the given values. Okay, that is the decrementation. Only one value only. Okay, now two types of decrementations. Two types of decrement operators. First one, pre-decrementation operator and post-decrementation operator. Same way, first decrement operations first and all other operations are next in pre-decrementation. Now post-decrementation, the all other operations are first and decrementation is the next. Okay, now I will give the example for this decrement operation also. First pre-decrementation and post-decrementation. Int y equal to 3. We want to print the 3 values stored into the y. Now we want to print the value y. System dot out dot println y. Y means what is the value? 3. Now system dot out dot println minus minus y. Minus y means, and it is a decrementation symbol. Minus means decrementation. Okay, minus means decrementation symbols. Okay, first done the decrementation 2. What is the here system.out.println? Here also 2. First this value and first after decrementation, the last also display the decrementation values. Now post decrementation. Post decrement minus after a, the operator first after symbol. This is called the post decrementation. Now x value, y value equal to 3 and 3 values stored into the y. Now I want to print the value of y. Okay, now what is the value here? 3. Now y minus means now system.out.println y minus means post incrementation, post decrementation. Post decrementation means first done the print operation. Print, what is the print value? 3. Next whatever the next statement, this is the decrement of the value. System.out.println y means 2. Okay, this one 3 or last operation 2. The decrementation means the suppose a is the variable or operands use before the symbol. Okay, this is called the pre. A minus after the symbol means this is called the post. This is called the post decrement. Suppose a plus plus this one, this is called the pre-decrement, pre-increment, and this is called the post. Okay, thank you friends.